Today I'm making some DIY cards, which are like Christmas cards, which you can give to your friends, your teachers, and they will love it. So let's get started. So for this I'm using watercolors, primarily red color, and some markers. That's it. Beginning with my first card, we just have to make shapes in red color, which will look like Christmas hats. Try making with first coat lighter shade and then color it in dark red. And this another coat. This is the second cap which I'm making. These are really fun and easy to make cards, easy to do stuff which I'm teaching you. Just do these kind of shapes. And if you do not have marker, you can use black sketch pen. That will also do. Let this get dried. I'm doing the second coat. Be careful. If you do not have the brushes and all, or you do not have the watercolor, you can use sketch pens or crayons, whatever you have. So with this we are done with the color. Now we will use marker. Let this get dried first. I want this middle cap needs to be a little longer. Just give the length of this one. Yeah, perfect. Again, second coat. Make it nice. That's it. Now what we'll have to do, we'll have to give the proper shape to our Christmas. I'll use this one. Yep. Give a nice furry look. Yes. And take it. Not very finish. So this is a bigger cap which we are making. See, there's a little circle here. Yeah, we are almost done. Right here. And we are done. So this is our first card. See how it looks.